Wanda, we talk about technical debt, and that certainly is an issue, but you all have almost the opposite as well. There's all this advanced capability in these technologies, in these weapon systems, in these aircraft, et cetera. I just can't imagine the daunting task of making sure all those vectors are secure, et cetera. Why don't you give us an example of one that you'd like to highlight, a program that is really getting a handle on that?
Hey, thank you for that. Matt and Chris kind of mentioned something, the balance of understanding the security posture for the current systems and then focusing on the new development, the future. So what we're doing is ensuring that from a risk management standpoint, that we're able to kind of maneuver in both spaces. The weapon systems are very complex, or we also have business systems that we have to protect. And over the last 2 years, we used the industry standards of penetration testing. That has allowed us to really dig into the risk and the vulnerabilities and identify them from a adversarial lens to be able to make sure that we are protecting the data, the infrastructure, and all of that. So our fast track ATO approach has been working fairly well. We've used it in the F-35 SPO development area. We've used it in our operational technology area. And so we are trying to infuse more of that approach across the department. Also, we are continuing to participate in Hack the Air Force efforts. We've done it on a number of critical systems, and we have certainly been able to close a lot of attack surfaces from using that type of approach. And we're continuing to push that. It has been received very well. A lot of the new like SecDevOps approach with our Kessel Run and Space Camp and Besvin have been very fruitful for the entire department when it comes to software development. And so those type of industry approaches is what we want to focus on in the future and now.
That Kessel Run story, amazing. Maybe we can get into that later. The Hack the Air Force, is that a sort of a crowdsource type thing where the public's coming in and hacking away, if you will, and then reporting that back to you? Fantastic.
Yeah, absolutely. And we are in, I think, Hack the Air Force 6 will be kicking off, and we try to do a number of systems, and we actually pick the systems based on current security issues that we definitely want to address up front.